intro, but you already know it's your girl Tkayyfly back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up, gang? If you're new to my channel, subscribe. So come TK gang, because now TK gang just can't hang, period. Okay, y'all, so this the contact paper, y'all, that I'm about to use. So we're gonna go from this to this. Okay, so you guys just pretty much seeing me wiping the counters down and everything before I actually start the process of putting the contact paper down, so I won't have any air bubbles or anything. Okay, so as you guys can see, I pretty much then started the process of laying the contact paper down. I should have started in real time so you guys could see exactly what I'm doing, but as you guys can see, it still is self-explanatory. You can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm using my debit card to spread the contact paper out evenly so I won't have any air bubbles or anything. I probably would have been better because it would have covered more space, but this debit card is going to do exactly the same thing. I just take a little more time, but that's fine. Okay, I'll put this one in real time because it's kind of tricky around the sink. And plus, I know y'all probably like, why she got that dirty stuff in the sink? It's not, it's just it's done or cooked in the actual dish rag. I just took it off and around the countertop and set it in the sink. I'm not sure what, but it was something. Okay, and then guys, I cut this paper kind of uneven, so I'm gonna kind of overlap it right here, and I'm gonna stick it on the actual sink so I can cut it evenly when I seal it down. Okay, y'all, it just got real. I had to piece some of it together. It was a learn as I go process. gang, so we're pretty much gonna wrap it up here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bells on. Definitely comment down below because I like to hear more from you guys and what more content you would like to see from me, and I'll definitely comment back. So be sure to comment down below. Drop those comments. So she say, until next time, gang.